Hi! If you're new here, my name is Jacqie, spelled with a Q, not a K. There's also no U. No. Today's video, we are going to be checking out this cool, what is it, a 360? It's a cosmetic mirror. We're going to open it up, take a look, see. It has LED light. You can hang it from the back of a door. So if you're doing your hair, you can see all the way around, you know. Don't mind my wet hair and no makeup. I just took a shower. Alright, so let's check out this mirror. You ready? Cosmetic mirror. Right? Look at that. Look. I saw this. Well, they actually reached out to me. And I was like, dude, my husband's always complaining that I'm never home when he wants to cut his hair. This is going to be perfect so he can cut his own hair. But also, when you're doing your own hair, you know, I can never see the back of your head. This should help with that. So, it's a three-way mirror. It has an LED light. And you can view the back of your head easily. So we're gonna check it out. Okay, so this is the cord for the LED light, because you know, you gotta charge things. These days, everything needs to be charged. Well, that's fun. I'm gonna pick that up. All right. We don't need the styrofoam that New York has banned, yet everybody's still using. Woo! Check this out. This is cool. Go. So, this is the mirror, you know. Little hooks to hang right here. Pretty cool. Let's see, what does this say? Charging mouse. I'm gonna have to charge it. Oh my goodness. Maybe I can get my my MacBook cord, because it has the same charging. Plug it in here so we can just test out the light, you know. So, how to use? La. Okay, we're gonna wing it, guys. We're gonna wing it. Let me pick up what I dropped, which I think is like a little round mirror. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm a hot mess. It is. Oh, this is it has little suctions. You suction it onto your mirror. I'm trying not to blind you. But it is a you can tell right there, magnifying mirror. Like by a lot. Wow, Jacqie, your face is a mess. Okay, let me go grab my other cord and see if we can't test out this LED light. Hold on. This is actually, oh my goodness. Guys, I am a hot mess these days. I can't even explain to you the shit show that is my life. Okay, so this is actually to my MacBook, but it uses the C cord, the C plug, so we're gonna see. Get it? See? Okay, Jacqie, shut up, you're stupid. Alright. How do you open it? That's the question. That is a good question. Okay. Oh, it's really hard to showcase a mirror. Because unless you want to be seeing yourselves, or my hot mess of a house, because we have to move soon, as soon as possible. But this, holy moly, guys, can you see this? Look at that. Oh, look, there's my ring light. Hi. Look at this. Open. You can adjust it to where you need it to be. Oh my God, did I just turn on the LED light? Oh my gosh, guys, look. Oh, gee. Hold on, let me turn down my ring light so you can really see the LED light. Let me set this down. I'll set it on my chair while I turn down my ring light. Wow, that was pretty nifty. Okay, look. I'm a hot mess, guys. Please forgive me. Really. I'm really trying to hold it together here. Okay. Hi. Now you can't see me. Okay, so these move, so you can adjust it to where you need it to be. You see my ceiling fan? Isn't it pretty? It's gorgeous, right? All right. This, see these two bars? This bar over here and over here? That's the LED light. You can still see my ring light. But isn't that cool? Dude, that is so cool. Let me see. Hold on. Can you see me? Oh yeah, I gotta take the plastic off the mirror. That would be smart. Oh wow, those are pretty bright too. Sweet. How awesome is that? Ah! Okay, let's check out, which way does this go? This way, okay. See how far up this goes, shall we? Wow. Hey, remember those antennas? That's what it reminds me of. Like the pull cord on your phone. Old school, y'all. That's how old I am. So you can hang it. It hangs pretty far, so it's not like it's going to be up here and you're going to be like, okay, see. It's going to hang down far enough for you to actually use it, which is good. So, wow, that's pretty cool. Maybe we should test it on my bathroom door. See how far down it hangs. I mean, I won't be able to use the LED light because it's not charged, obviously. But we're going to do that. So I'm going to go get the bathroom situated with the camera, set up the camera and all that. And we're going to go check this out hanging on the bathroom door and see just how far down it comes. I think that is so cool. And then it just kind of, you turn it so it's flat so you can lay it down. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so we're going to do that. So I will be right back and we'll be in my bathroom. Don't judge me. Please, don't judge me. I'll be right back. Okay, I took off the film. Look, you can see the back of my hair. From the mirror. Because, don't worry, I'll pick it up. Alright, so the lighting in here isn't great. Half our light bulbs are going out. It's a whole thing. So, but I just wanted to show you. Look, like I can see you. Hi. I can see, if I look in this one, I can see the back of my hair. If I look in this one, I can see the back of my hair. So this would be really good. And it even comes down further than just this. And plus the LED light would be really helpful, you know, because lighting. But it even comes down further. So if you need to see the bottom of your hair, you can do that too. If you have long hair like me. Look at how far down this comes. If you're shorter than me, it works. No, even if you back up. But if you're shorter than me, it even works. So how cool is that? And obviously it goes all the way up. But then you can just... Look, isn't that awesome? So this is like the coolest mirror I've ever seen. Yeah. So that's pretty nifty. I will have the link to this mirror in my description box as soon as I get it from the people who make the mirror, because I forgot to ask for it because I suck at life. I've been really busy, guys. I'm sorry. But yes, that is so cool. Once it's charged, the LED light is going to be so helpful. Wow, that is so cool. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this awesome light. It has the 3D bars, the LED bars that light up. It hangs, and dude, not gonna lie, I am really impressed. This is actually gonna help my husband cut his own hair quite a bit. So yeah, that is what I wanted to show you today. And like I said, I will have the link in the description box for where you can purchase this mirror if you're interested in purchasing this mirror. And I will also have the price of this mirror because, not gonna lie, they didn't tell me that either. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get that information for you, but it will be in the description box of this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you will tune in for future videos. Make sure you, if you haven't yet, hit subscribe. Don't you forget to subscribe, and then ring the bell, because I've been so busy lately. I've had 500 million things going on, and I can only film when I can film. So you're gonna want to ring the bell so you know when I upload a video. But that is it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!